In today's video, we're going to check out the Harbor Freight Spring Black Friday deals. So let's dive in. So guys, here is the leaked ad for the Spring Black Friday sale at Harbor Freight. You can see it is beginning on April 7th through the 10th for Inside Track Club. Then everyone else is the 11th through the 14th. So again, go ahead and mark your calendars in store and online, which is nice for those. But I want to show you guys just some of the deals. We'll kind of go through some of these. Starting off right here, the US General, the 56-inch roll cab here, $100 off of that, right there for $800. That's nice. We've seen this sprayer multiple times, $190. That's a really good price for that one. I really like this auger. I have hesitated to get this. I have a couple things I need it for, but that is a pretty good price for this one, $170. And then also the 5,000 watt generator here, pretty good price again for that one, right under $800. Again, the Predator generator does really well, and so that's a great option for you. A couple other smaller deals. We see some work lights here, the little magnetic tool holder, the gloves, even some of these wrench sets here. The anti-fatigue foam mat sets, pretty good price right there, $8. And then always great to grab some of these ratchet straps as well. Here is the bottom part of page 1. We have the 35% off Icon, all pliers, screwdrivers, and hammers. So again, Icon is a great brand if you're looking for a good brand to go ahead and invest in. This is a good one to check out. The jack stands, 35% off. Again, this is in-store only. We can see for these right here, 3-ton. We just saw those on the most recent sale, but still on sale. All welding wire, rods, and tips, 50% off of that one as well. So those are some of the bigger deals going on right there. A couple other ones we have. Pittsburgh, 3-ton, low-profile floor jack, $70 off right there. Pretty good price. We also have the Portland electric pole saw. I love my pole saw. Definitely a great thing. I recommend you grabbing one. The professional shop seat here for $70. Man, that's a pretty good price right there. Working on in the shop. Then we have the pressure washer from Bauer, 2,300 psi. That's a pretty good price. $190. I like that it comes with the cart there. And then the Badland winch. These are always on sale when we have these big sales. But $100 off, good price for that. And then some of the smaller items, we got some batteries, great to pick up just for random stuff. Case, flag, good thing. Step bits, pretty good price on those. Feel like that could be a little bit lower. Utility knife, and then also cable ties. Always great to grab some cable ties for these deals. Then next page, we have more of these Predator options. We saw a bunch of these again for the latest sale, for the parking lot sale, but we still see some more of these. We got a 13,000 watt here with a tri-fuel, $1,000. Pretty good price for that one. 9,500 watt super quiet inverter generator, excuse me. Save $500 off of this one, and then also the 3,500 watt inverter generator. Get to save $200 off of that one right there. A couple more things. We have horizontal shaft gas engine for $100 there. The water pump here for $219, and then also the chipper shredder for $479. Somebody just sent me one of these to review for my other channel, and it was pretty good. I like that little chipper shredder there. A little bit smaller pressure washer here, $67. Got the electric chainsaw, 14-inch for $35. And we also have the utility cart here. A few other smaller deals. We got the fly swatter, nice for that. Some pliers, $15. The garden hose, $18. Also the nozzle here, little spray nozzle for $4 with springtime coming up. Gallon backpack sprayer, $20, and then also the tarps. Always great to stock up on these. 41% off, $3 for that one. A few other items. We have the rifle case here, $100. We have, again, the sprayer. We saw the big sprayer earlier with the same brand. Then we have the canopy. That's a pretty good price for a canopy. I have a bunch of videos on some beach canopies you can check out. Portable car canopy, $170, pretty good price for that one. We have the welding fold-up kit. You need the table here for $150, pretty good price. We saw that one on sale last week as well. We have the welders here, multi-process welder, the 200. And then we also have the Easy Flux 125. See the prices on these. Chicago Electric has their Flux 125 welder for $94. Really good price on a welder there. I do like these dollies. I have one. Recommend you checking one of those out. $13, good price. Electrical tape. I probably need to grab this right here. $5. Get the electrical tape pack. Great idea. Pneumatic tire. Grab one of those. $5. Utility knife. 14-in-1 painter's tool. I love one of these. Always great to grab one. They have so many uses. Just a good DIY thing to have. And then we have the ammo can here for $9. A couple more big items. We see the Fortress oil compressor for $3.50 for those. Pretty good price. Some more air compressor here. We saw these right here earlier on sale. $50 for those. Again, good price for that. And also 21-gallon here for $2.50. So great thing to check out. Hercules has a couple deals on sale. Again, this is their brand, so definitely a thing to check out. $300 for the chop saw here. Also the planer for $3.50. We also have a couple more hand tools. We have the palm sander and then also the rotary hammer here for $170, and the palm sander down to $40. Good price for that one. A couple of the smaller things. We have some, again, just protective lenses there. We have some bits, little clamps here, some rip and claw hammers, and then also the little small drill right there. Another set, we got the Earthquake XT. Seen these on sale. $80, good price for that. Drill driver kit here for Bauer. Also have the toolbox, rolling toolbox for $50. Polisher sander, $35. Wet dry vac, $45. We have the impact wrench, and then also the 20-volt high torque impact wrench here, $139. And then the retractable air hose, saw this again on sale a couple weeks ago. And then a couple of these smaller deals. We have the little heat gun, light, stud finder, bench brush, adjustable wrench set, great thing to pick up. And then also the rafter square here for $5. A few more good items here. We got the U.S. General cart, $170. I really like those. Again, we have the 3-ton professional floor jack, $180. We also have the self-loading positional wheel dolly for $90. And then the 2-ton foldable shop crane, $309. More Badlands winches here, $279 and also $149 depending on the size that you need. And then we have the jump starter. We actually just had to use one of these today on my wife's vehicle, so always keep one of these in your vehicle and keep it charged. But pretty good price for that, $65. Definitely check one of those out. And then the portable ramp set here for $45. A few of the smaller deals. We got little magnetic holders here, parts holders, cords, shop towels, and pry bar set. Always great to grab a few of these items. And then one of the big things we see right here, liquidation sale up to 78% off. Always check this little area in your store. You never know what might be there. I've grabbed some items off of there, so always great to check those out. We have the professional master ball joint universal joint press set here for Icon. We got some lights, so if you need some lights for the shop. Again, another set here for Quinn, $300, $100 off of that. So if you need the 428-piece tool set, definitely check that out. Pittsburgh Mechanics tool set, $170. Yukon workbench with light, definitely check that out. I like that. It's a great DIY setup there. We have the storage cabinet with solid wood, 46-inch, and then also the 5-tier shelf here. Definitely get some storage options for $40 for that one. And then a couple more of the smaller items right here. Got some work gloves, light. We also have some of the fuses, triple ball, trailer hitch if you need one of those, and a metal power strip. Great thing for that. And then also here the socket set for $18. Great thing for that one as well. Overall, I think some pretty good items for sale. Definitely let me know in the comments what you plan on grabbing here. And if this video is helpful, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.